Now, here's a word that I hear a lot, and it may surprise you, that illustrates when you're in the culture of wish. The word is deserve. You deserve a break. You deserve to take time off. If you're in the desert and you're trying to get through the other side, is water something that you deserve? That you give yourself for good behavior? Good job, you walk, now you get some water? That's absurd. Water is something that we require. And in the same way, we must establish an oasis in our day. Every single day. Not just in the distant, not just in some magical place when everything pans out or we have a little bit of time, but we must make it a priority to occur.